My name is Carolyn Foley. I am a research coordinator for Illinois-Indiana eSeaGrant, and in this video I am going to show you how to register for our eSeaGrant proposal and application submission system. First, navigate to this address, https://eSG.iseagrant.org. This is what the home page looks like. You may already be in the system if you have participated in a past competition. To check this, click Forgot Password and enter your email address. If you are already in the system, you will receive an email that will prompt you to set up a new password. If your email is not yet in the system, go ahead and click Register. Then follow the steps to add your information. Please note that only the principal investigator or PI of the project should register in this way. For 1- and 2-year research projects and for faculty scholar competitions, this should be the person who will serve as the official principal investigator at their home institution, whether that is a university, a museum, or another type of organization. For graduate student scholar competitions, the PI should be the graduate student, even though the administrative lead on the project will be the official PI at their home institution. If you have questions about this, please ask. Once you are in the system, you will be able to start your application. Be sure to follow the on-screen directions on each page. Refer to the request for applications or the request for proposals for details as needed. You can also add someone to your proposal. For example, a co-investigator or fiscal staff who will help you complete the application. You can do this by clicking the Manage Collaborators button here and adding their information. They will then be able to access and make changes to your submission. Once you are finished completing all sections, be sure to submit your proposal or application. You will receive an email from the eSeaGrant system confirming your submission. You or anyone else that you have granted access to your application can change your components right up until the competition closes. It will prompt you if you have forgotten to do something. If you have any trouble with the submission system, be sure to contact Illinois-Indiana eSeaGrant before the submission deadline. Refer to the contact information in the request for applications or the request for proposals. Thank you for watching this video.